In this short and basic video, we will learn today how to disable background error checking in Microsoft Excel. Open your Excel program. Now here click on Options. You will see this second tab, Formulas. Click on it. Underneath Error Checking, you will see Setting, Enable Background Error Checking. If you want to disable and turn off, unselect this box. Just you have to unselect this box. You can read here error checking rules. There are some more information once you hover your cursor. Once you uncheck this box, click on OK. Now close and reopen your Excel. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.